Here I have an electric chair that you can plug in, and after I plugged it in, just make sure that your power bar has a light there. I noticed that it did have several connectors. It has one there and it has it here. And so what I did was just unclip it here, so this can pop out, and sometimes it can get loose, so just pushing it in and out a couple times, sometimes you can get oxide in there, some rust. So just make sure that you have a good connector. So I did it with that connector there, and the same with this one right here. It has this little safety clip that you can pop off, and just double check that it's not corroded or anything like that. And on the side, I do have a LED light, and when I push it, the gear is moving. So that seems to have fixed it. So if you have an electric couch and it's not working, just make sure that all the cables don't get underneath and pinched or anything like that. Double check all the cables. You can maybe tape them inside, or use some zip ties would also be good, so that they don't get pinched. Let's push the button here. And it's tilting back. There we go. It's working. It's working now. And then we'll put it back. Okay.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.